In this video, I'll be showing you how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on literally any iPhone you have. It doesn't really matter. But what you want to go ahead and do is firstly go over to your settings application, scroll down a bit, and you're going to see general. And then you want to go to software update, and you want to make sure that you're on at least iOS 18 and obviously iOS 26 if you're able to get iOS 26. You should go ahead and do that. And this is because you're going to need the password application. So if I swipe down and I type in passwords, I'm going to see it right here. But if you don't see the application installed, go to your app store, go to search, and then just type in passwords like so. Then go ahead and download the application. It looks like this, and it's by Apple. You need this specific one. Then go ahead and open it up. It's going to need your Face ID, so go ahead and give it that. And this is where Wi-Fi passwords will be stored, passkeys, and all passwords anyway. So go ahead and click on this. And let's say you wanted to go ahead and find something like your Apple ID password or your iCloud password, anything like that. All you got to do is go ahead and find it. And then you're going to see the password option right there. And then obviously it's hidden for you, but it would show my password right there. And all you would have to do is go ahead and click on it. It would ask for your Face ID password again. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. And it's as simple as that. Now, even when you go out of this, there's going to be so many more passwords for literally any application that you need, and then you'll be good to go.